2 days ago, pro-Russian terrorists claimed they will shut down McDonald's. They also said that if McDonald's doesn't shut down, they will blow up, but will let all people to get out before they do it. As you can see, today is May 17. McDonald's is still open. Brave Ukrainian patriots go to McDonald's every day, and they even go there more often after they found out that terrorists are going to shut it down.